this should be a quick little tutorial. This was not my genius idea. This was 100% from Craft Purge. I saw her do it on her Instagram and I was like, I need to try this. So she got some acrylic blanks and then these like little cup liners from Hobby Lobby. So Christmas is half off at Hobby Lobby right now. So these are only a couple bucks. I think it's going to be super cute. I hope I can do it as cute as she did because hers came out so adorable. So I am working on my pink Christmas swamp. So I want to do a tag flip. I do not do tag flips because I just feel like I cannot layer. But I thought this would be super cute. So on these blanks, there is a little plastic film on here that you do have to take off. So we are going to use our Pokie tool here, or maybe my nails, and hopefully lift off that top plastic piece. And then even though I did just wash my hands, I definitely don't want to touch the acrylic because I do not want like any oil to transfer over here that will prevent it from sticking. Oh my gosh, I cannot get this plastic off. Oh my gosh, there we go. Finally got that off. I hope I didn't scratch it. No, it doesn't look like it did. Okay, yay. And then, like I said, these were for like, they put it on a cup, but there is instructions on here on how to go ahead and apply it. So we are just going to slap it right on here. I think that should be fine. So let's just pull one apart. Actually, it's like lifting right there. I guess I don't even need to pull it apart. Okay, that lifted right off. So I'm not going to touch any of the white part because that's what's going to be sticking down. So I'm going to try to touch just the little clear parts. And then hopefully I can line this up. So there is the top right there, the little circle. Oh my gosh, I cannot see right over because you guys in the camera are right over. So I hope that's centered. Oops, I already touched it down. So I guess that's where we're going. So we're going to just smoosh this on down so it gets nice and stuck on there. And then this is going to be like when you're doing like the vinyl on your Cricut. So you're going to take off this top transfer tape. So let's go ahead and gently peel this back. And then see, your image will stay stuck on there. So you're just taking off this clear transfer. And I'm doing it slowly because I want to make sure that my image sticks down and I am not lifting that up. Especially since, like, look at how fine point those little stars are. I didn't want to rip that up. God, this transfer tape is like super strong too. Oh my gosh, I think these are gonna be so cute. Oh yay, I think I did good. I'm so proud of myself. So I think I got that nice and centered on there. How stinking cute is that? Oh my gosh, I love it. So there is another little backing on the back. Oh, look, that one was super easy to get up. So we got to take that part off. Then you can see there is the back. I'm just going to smoosh it all down again. I want to make sure it's nice and snug on there. I think that is so stinking cute. And then this will just be like a little part of the tag flip that I'm going to do. But now that I'm looking at it, I'm like, this guy's mostly brown. I should have picked a better one since my swab is like almost all pink. I feel like he has too much brown in him. So I probably should have done like one of these other guys. I'm like, of course, I picked the one with the most brown compared to all the other dudes. So I'll probably do another one of those. But these are so cute. So fast. And then I saw on Temu sells like these little like cup liner things, and I've actually got one at Halloween time. It was a Jack Skellington one, and I was just gonna put it on paper. I never even thought to put it like on one of these little acrylics. So that is gonna be so cute. So if you want some more definitely go check out Temu because they do have more. I think I'm going to do this one right here. Like, you guys, I'm so addicted to shopping on Temu. Oh my gosh, I just cracked him. I can't believe I did that. When I just lifted it up right now, I saw it crack. Oh, okay. So don't be really aggressive with these, I guess. But I didn't think I was being aggressive with it, but I just totally cracked it. I wonder if I put it on, if you'll still be able to see that he cracked. Hopefully not. Hopefully I can still use him because I liked his little outfit and I wanted to use him for my tag. So I'm just gonna, again, smoosh all of these down. Hopefully my nutcracker doesn't come out all cracked and it looks fine. So let's see. Wish me luck. Yeah, and if you're gonna use these, I guess just be more careful than what I was. I didn't think I was being rough with it, but I guess I was. Oh, I don't think it lifted. Oh, I don't even think you can tell that he cracked. Okay, yay. That's awesome. I was kind of worried for a minute, like, oh man, did I just mess this one up? Oh, there's like a little bit of film right here, like some of the sticky. So I'm gonna have to clean that up. Oh yeah, I don't think you can tell at all that he cracked. Oh, that's awesome. Okay. So that's good. Even though I messed him up, you cannot even tell. So that's really nice. And then now I have two of these, and then now I just need to clean this up because I definitely don't like that on there. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. So like I said, this was Craft Purge's geniusness. I'm so happy that she posted these because I'm obsessed. I want to go make more of these. Now I'm going to go run to Temu and see what other kind of little cup stickers I can find to use these. And then I'm going to have to go back to Hobby Lobby and get some more of these because for $2, I definitely want to keep a couple of these in my stash. Can you imagine, like, Valentine's Day, Easter, like whatever swap you're working on, to go ahead and have these little acrylic. So stinking cute. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day and we'll see you later. Bye guys.